what we're doing. We're on location. We're shooting on location today. And today is a special episode. It's not going to be Wing It with Wendy. It's going to be Bend It with Wendy. Because we're going to be doing some yoga today. Yoga. Yay. We'll see you in a little bit. It's Windy City live here. We're coming from a rooftop in Chicago. I'm here with Molly Callinan.
Hi guys.
And Molly is the lead singer to Pussy Fight, right?
It's cat fight.
Cat fight. Okay, so
close.
So we got a lot of bees around here. You know, we're dealing with all Mother Nature today. Okay. Yeah. Well. And so today we're going to learn about yoga, and Molly's going to teach us all about yoga.
I'm instructing today.
Right? So
yes.
I'm going to stretch it out. We're going to stretch it out.
We're going to start yoga off by, this is what we do in the beginning of my classes.
What? Little Malort?
This is called Malort, and you got to take a shot before you stretch.
Oh, okay. It's okay. I'll take a little out of the bottle.
Yeah. Yep, there you go. That's safety first.
Okay, there we go. Oh, yummy.
Now we're ready for some yoga.
And now we're ready for some yoga. Let's get in position.
All
Should
right.
we all get in position? Yoga! Okay, how do we get started?
All right, yogis. Take your place on your mats and find a comfortable seat. Whatever that means to you. Maybe it's easy pose, cross your legs. Maybe it's staff pose, legs are long.
I need an easy chair.
Find a seat that's comfortable for you.
How's this? Is this?
If that's your comfortable seat, then
I'm
yes.
comfortable.
Yes, then yeah.
I'm comfortable.
So guys, if you need energy, palms up. If you need to feel grounded, palms down. Your choice. Find length through the crown of your head. Tip your chin down just slightly and shut down your eyes. All right. The shot that you did before this class, let that shot go. Because we're not talking about the alcohol anymore. We are now finding our zen. So close down your eyes. Think of a place that makes you feel happy. It's not the bar. Find somewhere else.
Steamworks is closed.
Okay, yes. Now, shut down your eyes. Find that happy place. Take a deep breath in. Fill up your lungs. Hold it at the top. Now exhale, sigh it out audibly. Let it go like Beautiful, yogis. Do that again. Big, exaggerated breath in. Fill up. Hold it at the top. Now sigh it out. Let it go. Gosh, doesn't that feel good?
Yeah.
One more just like that, just to let everything, all that anxiety, stress, coronavirus, let's let that all go. Take a huge breath in. Fill up. Hold it at the top. Let it go! Sigh it out! Nice, yogis. Now, I want you to set an intention for your class. What's your reasoning for being here today? Someone say it out loud.
To survive.
Okay, survival.
Yeah.
Survival, I love that. So that is our intention for today, survival. Whatever that means to you in your mind, take one last breath in, fill up, survive. Now sigh it out and let it go. Survival. Nice, yogis. All right, press forward to a tabletop position. So stack your shoulders over your wrists. Your hips are right over your knees. Now look down at your mat. Chad, drop your knees to the ground. Yes. Draw your hips over your knees. Now, on an inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze. You guys will get this cue. Widen your tailbone. Let it out. Widen it. Send it to the sky.
I did that last night.
I know, exactly. Widen your tailbone. Now take a breath in. Exhale, cat pose. Press into the mat. Dome your spine. Draw your chin to your chest. Super, super exaggerate, like an angry cat. Press, press, press into the mat. All right, let's flow that. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze, cow pose. Lengthen your neck, lift up, lift up. Nice. Now exhale, cat, press into the mat. Chin to chest. Keep that going, breath to movement. Inhale, cow pose, lift your belly, then lift your gaze, yes. Exhale, cat, dome round and curl. Keep that going. Your breath to your movement. Inhale, cow. Exhale, cat, press into the mat. Two more times. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat. All right, yogis, come back to your static tabletop position. Inhale, lift your right palm high to the sky. Right palm rises high. Now, your right is that one, yes. Yeah. Stack your right shoulder over your left. So lift it up higher and look up at your right thumb. Take a huge breath in as you find 1 inch of length. Lift it, breath in. Exhale, thread the needle. So draw your palm in between your legs and...
And this episode is brought to you by Malort. It tastes so yummy.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hey.
Hi.
How's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
Good.
Malort. Go get some today.
Hey.
Oh, my Lord.
I feel like I'm sitting on something.
All right, Wendy, listen. Okay, so what I need you to do, you're very rounded and curled right here.
Yeah.
I need you to press your elbows into your knees and lift your chest. So press your thumbs into your sternum. Find a proud chest. Head, crown of your head lifted. Now close your eyes and find your zen. And just breathe, my friend. Breathe it out. Oh, doesn't that feel good? Just to breathe.
Yeah, it feels so good.
Oh, just breathe. Feel centered. Feel good. It's marinate in this wonderful time.
I feel like I'm really open.
Yeah. Open your heart, Wendy. Open it.
That's not all that's open.
Lift your crown to the ceiling. Take a big breath in.
I'm crowning.
Yeah.
I'm
That's,
crowning.
oh my God, that's perfect.
I'm crowning.
Take a huge breath in. Big breath in, Wendy. Exhale, forward fold. Let it go. Oh, beautiful.
Oh.
Let's try the crow pose.
Okay, crow.
pose. So take your palms, spread them wide.
Yeah, I
Now
got it.
place them on the ground. Look forward, not down.
Okay.
Now draw your knees into your armpits.
Okay.
And squeeze your elbows in. Now levitate your feet. It's as easy as that. Yeah, levitate your feet. You got it. That's it, Wendy, that's it. Lift it higher. Lift.
My ass is so heavy.
Lift. Find the lift. Yes, lift it up, Wendy. Lift it up. That's perfect.
Namaste.
Namaste.
There you go.
This you mean?
That's it, yes! That's it!
Oh, there you go, Wendy. Oh, there.
Crow pose.
I'm like an old crow. Prolapse. Jesus Christ.
Everybody lift your foot. That's awesome. Yes, that's it. Yes.
Okay, Brian.
That's it.
Oh.
I'm just gonna be doing it for fun. That hurts right now.
I know, that's it.
All right, so that's all we have time for today. So before we leave, if you want to do like yoga or like stretching or singing or anything like that, because you do the diva thing,
I do
right?
that. I do.
Yeah. So how can they reach you?
You can find me at toomuchmolly.com. You heard me right.
Yeah, Too Much Molly. TooMuchMolly.com.
Toomuchmolly.com.
So we'll see you, folks. Take care.
Yay!
Bye.
Namaste.
Namaste.